Let me show y'all how I customize these pairs of lashes. Let's go. All right, y'all. So I have the Kiss New Mink Effect Ultimate 5D Volume. This is a high volume look. This is the one called Ravishing, 25 millimeters, and this is the collection. So I'm just pretty much going to be showing you how I customize some of my lashes, because I do like customizing my lashes. First, I'm going to open these bad boys up. Right. Now, what you'll need to do this is you'll just need some little scissors like this. That's all you'll need to customize them. You're not going to really need too much stuff to do it. That's just pretty much all. So right now I'm just taking it out the pack. Rip it out the pack. And then take this bad boy off. Now you can customize it right in here. Now, what I like to do, I like more of a wispier. I like to make my lashes a lot more wispier and give them spikes. Now, you see how you have this little thinner part there? You're going to leave that part alone. And you're going to cut every other spike until you get to here. And that's going to be the last one you cut. Now, as far as for this, how much you want to cut it depends on your preference. You know, if you want to cut maybe like cut it all the way low. I like to cut mine's a little closer to the lash line. A little closer to the lash line. That's what I like to do. Then you'll cut it, go to the next part, establish, and then cut. Bam. See how it's looking already? Move on to the next part. Establish where the spike at. And I'm gonna cut. Establish where the spike is and cut. And then the last one, remember I told you about this part. And then we're just gonna cut it. Move the excess. And now you have yourself a beautiful pair of customized lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the other one off camera, and then we're gonna come back and show the final look. Okay. And this is the final look, honey. Yes, don't they just look ravishing? Not gonna slay with it. Bye.